So, hello everyone. I am Anupam. Welcome back to Python for Episode Beginner series. In this lesson, we are going to learn dictionary in Python. So, dictionary is a important topic and it is used in real programs. So, let's start. So, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection in Python that stores data in key and value pairs. So, dictionaries use curly braces and are perfect for organizing related information. Each key must be unique, but values can be duplicated. Okay. Dictionary structure and example. The dictionary uses curly braces that is used to means dictionary starts and ends with curly braces. And second one is keys. Keys are the unique identifier for accessing data. Third one is values. Values are data associated with each key. And fourth one is colon. Colon is used to separate key from values. And the simple example is like data is equal to curly braces name that means key and value is Anupam. Age is key and 20 is value. City is key and Delhi is value. Okay. So then we print, then we got output like name colon Anupam, age 20, city Delhi. Okay. Let's take another example. Let's create a dictionary to store family members. Each family member has a role, key and a value, key and a name value. Family is equal to we open a curly braces. Okay. Then brother is brother colon Anupam, sister one Muskan, brother two Mayank, and sister two Mehak. Then we print family. Then we get output brother Anupam, sister one Muskan, brother two Mayank, sister two Mehak. So means brother is key, Anupam is value. Key value. Okay. Accessing values from dictionary. To retrieve data from a dictionary, we use the key name inside square brackets. This is like looking up a specific word in a dictionary, like print family, brother, print family, square bracket, sister one. Then we get output Anupam and Muskan. Like we use key to get value. In simply हिंदी की लिखेंगे तो वैल्यू मिलेगी. Like हमने यहाँ पर ब्रदर लिखा तो वैल्यू अनुपम मिली. सिस्टर वन लिखा तो वैल्यू मुस्कान मिली. Okay. Dictionaries are mutable. As you know, we done last class that mutable means we can change it. So in dictionaries that is mutable, the first one is add, insert new key value pairs, and second one is modify, update existing values, and third one is flexible, change as needed. Means we can change all the values. Okay. So dictionaries are mutable, meaning we can add, modify, or remove items after creation. Let's add more family members. Like family brother 2 is equal to Mayank. Family sister 2 is equal to Mehak. The dictionary now contains four members with their respective roles. Okay. Changing existing values. Since dictionaries are mutable, means we can change it. We can easily update values by assigning a new value to an existing value. Family is equal to curly braces brother Anupam. Family print family brother Anupam. Print brother Rahul. Print family brother colon Rahul. Okay. Looping through a dictionary. We can iterate through a dictionary using for loop. The loop variable represent each key and we can access values using the key. Like for x in family, print x comma family x. Then we get output brother Anupam, sister Muskan, brother to Mayank, and sister to Mehak. This prints both key and their corresponding values. Like x we can say key and family x we can say value. Then brother Anupam, sister Muskan, brother to Mayank, and sister to Mehak. Okay. बाय फॉर लूप का यूज करने से हम सब प्रिंट कर देते हैं. ओके. डिक्शनरी लेंथ एंड कॉमन ऑपरेशंस. लेंथ that returns the number of key value pairs in the dictionary. Like we use brother is equal to Anupam, sister is equal to Muskan, brother 2 is equal to Mayank, and fourth one is sister2 is equal to Mehak. So the number of key value pairs are 4. Okay. And second one is adding items. Use new key with assignment to add entries dynamically. And third one is updating values. Assign new value to existing key to modify data. Okay. Because dictionary is mutable, that we can change it. Okay. We can change, update. Okay. Student information example. Student is equal to name Anupam, friend 1 Muskan, friend 2 Mayank, friend 3 Mehak. For X in student, print X comma student X. So for X means key and student X means value. So the we got output name Anupam, friend 1 Muskan, friend 2 Mayank, friend 3 Mehak. Okay. So the summary is why we use dictionaries for today's class. Why we use dictionaries? Dictionaries are essential when you need key value format for real programs. Then they are perfect for storing structure data like user profile, configuration settings, and database records. So today's summary is it stores data in key value pairs. It uses key curly braces. It is mutable and flexible. It supports add, changes, loop, and length operations. Okay. So the lesson 10 is completed. Next lesson, we will learn functions in Python. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next lesson. Thank you and keep supporting.